So good day everyone. So we're here for explaining our miniature. So this is our tidal power plant. So in this area, the blue part is the water like river. So we made under the bridge where a turbine is placed when the water moves. When the water is moves. So it spins the turbine and produces electricity. So in this structure on this side is the power station. So it's where the electricity is controlled. Then also the wires show how the electricity goes to the houses.
So, ito explain ko sa tidal power plant. So, in this model, a small basin barrier called a barrage are used to represent a real tidal power plant when the water level rise. Water flows into basin when the water flows back out as the water moves in and out. It passes through a small turbine. So ito turbine is in this model. So the flowing water spin the turbine, which is connected to the generator, and this motion produces electricity. And this demonstrates how energy from tides can be converted into electrical energy.
This model shows how we can use water to create electricity and supply it to the nearby homes in a simple and clean.